France has a major presence at Pacific this year with 26 exhibitors on the GICAN Pavilion. GICAN is the French marine industry group. They are also a sponsor at Pacific 2019 this year. We start today's video report with an interview of the French ambassador to Australia. Mr. Ambassador, good morning.
Good morning.
There are over 50 French companies present this year at Pacific, including 26 under the GICAN Pavilion. Why do you feel there's such a strong presence of French industry at Pacific this year?
Well, I think it reflects the growing engagement of the French industry in Australia. And of course, it's related to the submarine program. But I think it goes beyond that. We have created a momentum in our bilateral partnership, which makes Australian more attractive for French companies, but also which give them the idea that there is a very strong potential here to develop their activities, to develop partnerships with Australian counterparts. And I'm very pleased that we have reached this year this 50 participants to the event. We have now built a partnership with Australia that is unprecedented in our bilateral history. And of course, it starts with defense and the submarine contract and the submarine program, but it goes far beyond that because we have also a strong political cooperation. We have also started and built up a very strong cooperation between our navies in the Pacific Ocean. We are neighbors with our territories, of course, and Australians know that, and I think our presence in the region is much appreciated. But also this partnership has extended to the economic and trade area, to building research and training partnership with Australian universities. So it's very exciting.
Hello, welcome to SEAir. We are a French company based in Brittany, in Lorient. We are more an engineering company rather than a boat builder, but at the moment we are selling complete flying boats with our systems. The aim of SEAir is to deliver flying function for boats. So it's the foil for sure, but also the global tools that are available to make the boat flying. So we speak about the box that are installed on the boat. We modified the structure of the hull, and we had some mechanism to retract the foils or not in order to have a beachable boat. And we have electronic sensors with activators to manage the foils during the navigation. So the main benefit of the system is the stability of the boat. We have sold the systems to the special forces for the French army because they were very well interested with the flat navigation. In more than 1 meter, 1.5 meter of waves, it's still very flat. So for the soldiers, it's very important. I think that for the future, another big subject could be the USV, because as we provide a lot of stability and we save a lot of energy, it will be better for a mother USV to carry a small USV without foils, but the main USV will be probably get foils to improve the range to go and see, and to have more stability, to improve the communications, to improve the target detection, and so on.
So we are Unseenlabs, a French company from Brittany. The company was created 4 years ago with my brother. We are the both co-founders. We are specialists in electromagnetic intelligence from space. So our core business is to develop and operate electromagnetic intelligence payload in space, and with a big focus on maritime surveillance domain for our first service. So basically we are data reseller. We are operating our own constellation of satellites. We deployed the first system this summer from New Zealand, and now we are opening the commercial service this October. So we are here in Pacific because of the Australasia region, with a big deal about maritime surveillance for narco traffics, maritime routes, piracy, any kind of border control. So for us it's a big area to be present and to present our product to the customers of the region. The core technology of Unseenlabs allows us to track and find the dark ships. It means that the ships that are not willing to be found, basically when a ship cuts its beacon, it disappears from the screens, and with our technology we are able to find him even without any beacon. So it gives us the opportunity to see all the real traffic and to discriminate and to find the unregulated maritime traffic. So it can be applied to illegal fishing or piracy, narco traffics, and all this kind of grey or dark activities.
I am Alexandre Rebus from Coyard company, a French company. We are engineering and manufacturing valves for submarine and surface vessel application. So, for example, hull valves and high pressure air valves. We have a long-term relationship with the Naval group, supplying valves for the Scorpion submarine for Brazil, India, and maybe Australia for this huge project, which is very exciting and interesting for our small company.